Happy Christmas Eve, friends, to all of you. Thanks to a new relief bill, a big boost is coming to many Americans. There will be a new automatic deposit date for many eligible residents in just a few days, and more money is set to go out to low-income households next year. Friends, can you please do me a favor and watch until the end of this video to hear about more of these details? Also, I will be giving away a Walmart gift card every day this month. If you would like to enter these giveaways, all you have to do, my friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. So here is some big news. Americans now have a chance to earn a one-time relief payment that is worth between $50 to $1,200 next year. But only certain individuals will be eligible. The cash comes courtesy of the Washington Working Families Tax Credit, which aims to help low to moderate income Washington state residents. Overall, the state's new credit models a one at the federal level, which is the Earned Income Tax Credit. It provides lower income workers more money back at tax time, or it decreases the amount of federal taxes that you'll owe. According to census data from the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities, the federal Earned Income Tax Credit has been estimated to help about 5.6 million out of poverty, including 3 million children. Previously, the state of Washington has not implemented a progressive income tax and instead charges a flat rate sales tax. The state sales tax is generally 6.5%, but in certain areas like Seattle, that can surge to more than 10%. These payments will help residents as they brave increasingly alarming rates of inflation in prices across all sectors. So to receive these payments, you must have lived in the state of Washington for at least over half of the year in 2022 and be between the ages of 25 and 65 years old, or have a qualifying child. Additionally, you will need to have filed a 2022 federal tax return. Everyone who receives the cash must also show that they are eligible to claim the federal Earned Income Tax Credit on the 2022 return and meet income requirements. Altogether, an estimated 420,000 residents of Washington state will receive these rebates, and the government is expected to spend about $250 million a year. The exact amount that you will receive depends on your income level and the number of qualifying children, but the minimum credit will be $50. If you're at the lower end of the income bracket and claim 3 children, you may earn up to $1,200, but specific amounts will vary. Also, friends, the California Franchise Tax Board has released a schedule for when families will be mailed debit cards for the middle class tax refund for non-Golden State stimulus recipients with last names beginning with M to Z. The deposit dates range from December 19th to December 31st, 2022. In the state of Florida, frequent drivers will soon get substantial toll relief, and that's thanks to a recent bill. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has recently signed a new bill into law. The new legislation will provide drivers who use transponders to pay for tolls at least 35 times per month a 50% credit on their account. According to Governor DeSantis, the toll relief is aimed at state residents, not tourists. Governor DeSantis has said during a speech, "I promised Floridians that I would find additional ways to provide toll relief for Florida families. And with this legislation, we are keeping that promise to help hardworking families keep more money in their pockets." The program will begin on January 1st, 2023, and run through December 31st, 2023. According to the Florida Department of Transportation, the bill will save the average commuter $400 next year. Qualified drivers do not have to register or take any other action to receive this credit. After a calendar month of at least 35 toll trips, using a Florida-based transponder, the driver will receive the 50% savings tacked onto their account the following month. This is the latest relief package aimed at helping the Sunshine State drivers better weather rampant inflation. In August of this year, Florida introduced another toll relief package. It was called the SunPass Savings Program for drivers who use the state's turnpike system. That program, which the Florida Department of Transportation estimates will save drivers a combined $40 million. It will end when the newer, larger toll relief program takes effect in the new year. But Florida is not the only state to focus on relief for drivers. The state of Georgia recently announced that its gas tax pause will be extended until January 10, 2023. At the national level, the recently passed Inflation Reduction Act provides rebates of up to $15,000 to ditch the gas guzzler and buy a qualified electric vehicle. Other states like California have focused on all across-the-board rebates to help residents deal with surging prices, including at the gas pump. Well, my amazing and most awesome friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Christmas Eve. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching this new video that I posted. And I truly hope that you found some of this information helpful. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Carlisle Reynolds. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you could message me on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, I will be announcing another winner tomorrow on Christmas Day. So please make sure that you do stay tuned for that video. And comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning the daily giveaways. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Christmas.
Mr. Speaker, as the members know, the Senate has now passed the omnibus, which will fund government. As the members also know, the government will be shut down at midnight if we do not pass additional legislation here. I have been over in the Senate talking to those who will prepare the bill to be sent to this chamber. Unfortunately, the process takes a long time to do, and it will not be to us for a significant period of time, meaning it will not be to us before midnight tonight. As a result, I will announce to members that we will have no, I believe, recorded votes until at the earliest 9 a.m. tomorrow. And members need to be available at 9 a.m. and thereafter. As soon as we get the documents to process on the floor, we will proceed as quickly as possible. And in addition, the Senate has passed, and we will pass as well, a short-term CR so that the bill can be enrolled and sent to the President for signature. And so there will be no termination or closing of the government's operations. So again, we will be having no further votes tonight. We will reconvene at 9 a.m. and votes will be conducted as soon thereafter as we are ready to do so. And I yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back.